Good evening, YouTube. This is Mr. Chrono666, and today I am going to do a very detailed explanation of using Goomba front color, and I will show how everything works step by step. So easy. Pause the video if you need to. You need spacebar, you can click the space, the pause, you'll be good to go. All I'm going to do is show how to use Goomba front very slowly, very specifically, naming each and every file you need. So, should be very basic. Let's go ahead and get started. You get to see all my crap everywhere. I'm a little tired, so alright. Goomba color. Is that the one? Yes, that's my December one. That's a good. Let's see. Games. Back here. What do I need? Do I need ROMs? No, let's get my emulator ready just in case so we can test out everything. But that should be good like that. The first thing you want to do, open up Goomba front. Okay? Let's pretend I have no files selected. The first thing you want to do, you're going to select your emulator file. Okay? Now in Goomba color, wherever your source location is, in the description there is the link. You have to have all three of those files. It's your Goomba emulator file. I don't know why it says Adobe Acrobat. It's retarded. Next is your Goomba output configuration. And the last is the program itself, goombafront.exe. For this here, you want to have your output file. No, sorry. You want your emulator file. As we selected, select emulator file. Select your emulator file. Okay? Hit open. Next thing you want to do is you have to select an output ROM. This is just something that you name. So go ahead and name it whatever you want. We're going to call this Mr. Chrono 666 Ass-tastic Sandwich Overlord. Okay? And now we have our output ROM file. So when it's done, it's going to go in your source folder. And loading existing configuration, I don't even have output. You can probably click that, I guess. We're going to see what happens with that. And output configuration, you're going to hit the same thing. Output configuration. Okay? Well, sure. Let's see what happens. It said load existing configuration. So just make sure your output configuration is fine. You don't really need to load an existing. So the next thing you want to do, go to whatever folder you have all your ROMs in. So I got to go to ROMs. Way too many fucking ROMs. I passed it, didn't I? Yeah, Gameboy. We're going to do some very simple ones, okay? We're going to go ahead. I know a lot of people have been asking me about Crystal. Crystal does not work properly. So remember that. You're going to add it. You're going to be real sad because it's got a lot of graphical errors. Nothing you can do. Just, I don't know. I guess build a bridge and get over it. Sorry, y'all. Let's do Yu-Gi-Oh! 2 Oracle games. Those are good. Dragon Warrior. I'm going to go back to Game Boy. Even though it's not a color, I still want to have the other remaining Pokemon games. Watching my dog roll around. We all love Odin. Alright, we're going to select. Do we have the card game? No. Let's see. Brown also does not work, so I will add that just to please everybody. And we're done, okay? At this point, all you're going to do, compile. Click. Compile complete. Where'd my file go? Oh, that's right. That's weird. It said the Pokemon. I didn't even name it. Did I name it Pokemon? Oh, that's weird. I thought I named it Ass-tastic something else. That's no fun. Well, let's see if it's there or if it lied. Okay, I guess I didn't like the name, but It named it PokemonROM.GBA. It's going to give you an error. Don't worry about that. As we see, everything loaded no problem. Excuse me. As we see, Crystal, it'll get started. Now it's fucked. So we don't want that. We're going to go ahead and just reload the file. See, everything works as expected. Beautiful. Let's see, reset. There we go. Trading card game works good. Blue works good. Brown does not work, and that's unfortunate, but it is very graphically messed up too. So that's really that. It works fine. I don't know why. There's a bunch of people who have had, excuse me, a lot of issues with compiling the ROM, and I'm sorry for that. But I don't know what to say. If this does not work for you, then you're just not meant to do ROMs. If you have more questions, though, seriously, ask me. I will do my best to help you out. So that's it. You'll have a good